£370 gaming PC. Now this gaming PC is going to consist of a Ryzen 5 3600 and a GTX 1070. Now let's go all over the parts first, and then I'll show you a build montage, and then I'll show you the benchmarks right at the end of the video. Ryzen 5 3600, so that's a 6-core 12-thread CPU. This is ideal for gaming, obviously, going to be perfect for what we need. We then have the Gigabyte A320M-H motherboard. A320 is going to be enough for what we need. We paid £50 for the motherboard, and we've paid £70 for the CPU. And then the RAM, which you got a really good deal, which is £28, and this is a 16GB kit, obviously 2 8GB sticks of 3200 MHz memory. Yeah, Klevv Bolt X DDR4. Then for our storage, we have a Crucial MP510 drive, which is a 480GB NVMe SSD. It's going to be more than enough for 3-4 games and maybe a few more. Now obviously the CPU cooler is this Arctic Freezer A13X. This is about £20. The SSD is £25, sorry. And this was about £20, so that's going to be enough to cool our 3600. No worries. Our PSU is this, it's the Aresgame AGV 500, which is a 500 watt, well, more like a 450 watt PSU. Should be more than enough. So obviously the main event, I think you've actually seen this in the video before, or at least if you've been following my channel, then you have. This is the GTX 1070. This is the MSI version, the Twin Frozer X sort of version. So really nice design. Got the back plate on the back, obviously, as well. I really like this card. We paid £100, so really good. And then obviously to complete it, we have our ATX case, which is this Tecware Forge M2 Case. So really good. We paid £45 for this, which is a really good price. It has 3 ARGB fans, 2 in the front there with a perforated mesh. It's a bit like that Fractal Design Mesh IC. It's a bit like that, but it's kind of like a cheaper version really of it. And this is going to be perfect for our build. And 3 ARGB fans, it's going to be really nice and going to look great. So without further ado, let's jump into that build now. the completed PC, guys. I think it really turned out really well. As I said, the 3 RGB fans look good. Now the graphics card was a real hard fit to actually get in there. I had to kind of sort of twist it at an angle, turn it round and then get it in, but we got there. And there were points where my camera sort of cut out and what have you, and I kind of ran out of battery, but it happens to the best of us, doesn't it? I'm not totally professional yet, but we're getting there. We're getting better. I feel like my builds are starting to get better now, and I feel like I'm getting a bit more confident, so that's great. Let's just jump right into those benchmarks now, see what this PC can do. By the benchmarks, 1080p high, 60 FPS, no problem for this little PC. So I'm pretty happy with it, how it turned out. I think hopefully we can sell it for about 450 on Facebook, but we'll see. If I have to take 400, I will. You know, it's just really flipping it, getting the money back, and then obviously I can do more videos with the money that I get back, because I can obviously buy more parts again. So hopefully, you know, hopefully this does sell, and hopefully everything works out as always, guys. But I hope you liked that video, guys. Leave us a comment if you think you can beat my build for £370. Obviously leave us a like to support the channel, and subscribe if you want to see future videos from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.